visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, so whenever you find the video, the message is also meant to find. Tingnan natin ang mga nangyayari sa paligid with the Five of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles. Abundantly, supposedly dapat abundant ito. Marami nang napagplanuhan. Marami na kayong napag-usapan. Ang taas ng expectations Kumbaga, parang feeling mo pinasakay tayo. No? Parang feeling mo binigyan ka ng isang malaking pag-asa. And then parang biglang binawi sa'yo. I think that your person left you out in the cold, no? Bigla-bigla siyang nawala, bigla-bigla na lang nag-iba yung takbo nitong relationship. Dapat meron, instead na nagiging fluid, parang naging stagnant. Kumbaga sa roller coaster, pa-ascend nag-stack up, and then bumaba. Nawala yung momentum with the King of Swords. I think that you would love to know kung bakit ganito nangyari. Ano yung nangyari sa relationship? Ano nangyari sa kanya? Bakit bigla-bigla na lang nawala? You might be asking yourself, meron ba akong pagkakamali? May mali ba sa akin? Meron ba akong nagawang kasalanan? Those are the questions that probably you're asking yourself, no? You might be standing in front of the mirror and then asking yourself, meron ba akong may mali ba sa akin? Parang a lot of questions are haunting you. And probably not blaming yourself, but looking yourself inwards. Anong mali, no? So, with the Empress and the Knight of Wands, that's probably one of your question then na, pinasakay lang ba ako nitong tao to? Meron bang third party dito, no? Meron pa ba akong magagawa dito sa relationship na ito para maayos? Itutuloy pa kaya niya itong relationship na ito with the Emperor? Ang galing, no? Ito nga yung sinasabi ko, parang ang galing magpaasa. Nagbigay ng structure, nagbigay siya ng sabihin nating parang halos step by step no? Ito yung gagawin natin. The plan is grandiose, no? Na ito yung gagawin natin. Magkakaroon tayo ng ganito, bibili tayo ng lupa sa ganyan, dito tayo maninirahan, or probably asking you, magba-migrate tayo sa ganyan or kukunin kita if your person might be in, some other places. The Four of Cups and the King of Wands. I don't want to say that there is a third party yet, pero definitely merong naging distraction. Obviously. Kaya nagkaroon si person ng, na nag-iba yung flow, nag-iba yung direction. This is not just stagnation. Kumbaga kung ang inyong route is dire-diretso, parang kumaliwa, kumana, no? nawala sa alignment yung flow nitong relationship. Um, with the Knight of Swords. Now, I think that your person here, I know that your person is creating drama because of these sudden changes, because of this sudden, itong mga biglang pagbabago. Uh, ang gusto ko talagang malaman, yung pinaka-reason the Three of Pentacles and the Nine of Wands. So, pinag-iisipan ni person, nag-back out because of fear, nag-back out because of, bigla siya sigurong nagising. We don't know. Wala pa naman dito lahat ng cards. Bigla siguro siyang nagising. Na meron agad siyang alinlangan na sandali itong relationship becoming a little deeper. Nasasakal ako. Or meron siyang nakita sa'yo na parang kino-compare niya sa iba na meron siyang bad experience. Pero sana 'di ba dapat naging open siya. Sana sinabi niya. Sana nagkaroon ng communication para at least I know, no? If I am on your shoe, sana sinabi mo sa akin, no? Hindi yung basta ginudge mo. Sana you could have say it, baka innate sa akin yun, or baka meron din akong bad experience, kaya ako ganun, kaya ganun yung reaction ko. Sana binigyan mo ako ng chance na ipaglaban ko naman yung sarili. Parang I am in an audition, no? Tumapak ako sa stage, wala pa man akong ginagawa, lahat kayo nag-ex na. So, what's the sense of me pakitin mo ako sa stage and you never give me the chance para ipakita yung talent ko, 'di ba? Somewhat like that. So, with the World card, ito yung sinasabi natin. I think that there will be a change in this relationship. The Devil card and the Justice. I feel like merong ginagawa si person dito na sabihin natin your person could have been playing at least sa ngayon. Pero kasi the Justice card in here, kung ano man yung nangyari, kung ano man itong let's say the separation, no? Physical man yan or energetic. Kung nagkaroon ito talaga ng malaking pause, I feel like si person magkakaroon dito ng realization because the justice in here. It's either pwede siya makarma or pwede siya maka-experience ng isang bagay to return sa path mo, and you might be rejecting the person or you might give the person a severe test, no, of endurance, severe test of loyalty. Pero I feel like si person ginagawa ito more of sabihin natin, yes, merong love, but not as much as you love the person. Mas mahal mo siya yeah, pwedeng si person nagpe-play the devil card, or pwedeng si person sabihin nating naki-ride sa connection. Yun nga lang, ang masakit doon, tinotoo natin. Syempre wala naman tayong ka-idea, no? But anyway, it's up to you kung anong gusto mong gawin, no? Whether bigyan ng chance si person, the justice card naman is in here. So whatever that is, I feel like may mga pagbabago. Pero kasi di ba, may mga tao na, no, ginawa mo na yan sa akin, I'm not looking back. I'm moving forward. Do you, as long as it makes you happy. So, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Pero bago yan, I want you to know kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron po kayong mga kakatanungan, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign. Libra, Capricorn, Aquarius, Scorpio, Taurus, Leo, Virgo, Gemini, Aries, Sagittarius, Cancer, Libra. Yan, nasabi ko na yung Libra. Ayun lang. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.